Hi everyone, my name is Kumudini and you are watching my English channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English content video that is very helpful to beginner level and also intermediate level students who are keenly interested to learning this language. So today's video is very interesting. Today I am going to share about something that is very specific and that is very interesting. So have you ever felt like this? You learn any new vocabulary and you understand everything, but when it's time to speak, that time you forget everything. You don't remember any vocabulary and you can't use the word or the vocabulary in your sentence. So don't worry, it happens with everyone. So today in this video I am going to share some techniques and pro tips that is helpful to you how to learn this vocabulary and use in your real situation. That is very important. Yes, nowadays everyone learn different type of vocabularies because we are improve our communication skills. So for that there is a need different type of vocabulary, but we learn that one, but after that, after few days we forget everything. When time to speak, that time we are feel frizzy, don't remember any word. So what we will do for that? Yes, so you are thinking about that. So don't worry, I am here to give you some techniques that will help you. I also use through these techniques for improving my vocabulary. So the first one is, whenever you learn any word, any vocabulary, don't read only. You have to use the word in your daily communication. Okay, make your own sentence. In this way you can remember the word for a long time. Example, you can take any word. Yes, that is resilient, RESILIENT. Resilient means able to recover quickly. Yes, now this word you can not only read, you can use this word in your sentence. Yes, now you can say she is a resilient person who never give up. Yes, means resilient person means that person who are able to recover quickly. So in this way you can make your own sentence. This one is the first trick. So this one is the first technique that you can use whenever you learn any word, any new vocabulary. Try to speak and try to make sentence in your own words. Okay, then you will be remember that word for a long time. So whenever you learn any word, don't learn only the word, try to make the sentence using that word. Okay, that is the first technique. Second one is 3 sentence rule. Okay, whenever you learn any word, try to use the word in a different situation and make different sentences. Okay, like you can take any word that is a fragile means easily broken, delicate, and not that much strong. Okay, so you can take the glass is fragile. Yes, mostly glass things are very fragile, they are easily broken. So another thing, her health is fragile because she is not strong. Yes, that time you can say her health is fragile. Yes, and another sentence you can also make use the word fragile. The situation is fragile. So in this way you can use the same word for different context, for different situation. Yes, so whenever you take any word and want to make a sentence, try to connect with real life. So in this way the word keep in your mind for the long time. Yes, that is the very important. So this is called 3 sentence rule. Another techniques is connect with your real life. Yes, you can take any word like exhausted. Yes, EXHAUSTED. Exhausted means tired. Now after school work I feel exhausted. Yes, because I am a teacher, so I can take any sentence, make a sentence that is using the word exhausted with my real feeling. Yes, so in this way I can use the word for my life. So if you are a housemaker, If you are a housewife, you can say, after a household chores, I feel exhausted. Yes, in this way, you can use the word again and again in your communication. Okay. Now our another pro tips is, don't just write. Okay, many learners mostly whenever they came to cross a new word, they just only jot down in their notebook. Yes, that is also important thing, but after jot down, you try to use that word in your communication and make a sentence. After that, read aloud. That is very important. Okay, now next our pro tips is, that is revise smartly. Revise smartly, yes, that is very important. Yes, that's why whenever we in our childhood, teacher told us, please revise this lesson again and again. So here I would like to say, whenever you learn something and you are jot down and you know the meaning and you understand, after one day you again revise that one, then after 3 days you can again, yes, revise those words what you learned already, and after 1 week you also learn those words you already know, and try to speak loudly and make those words make a different type of sentences. Yes, in this way, in a revised way, you can easily learn these vocabularies and keep in your mind for the long time. You never forget those vocabularies. In this way, you improve your vocabulary, and whenever your time to speak with someone, that is automatically in a natural way, that is just speak out to you without any force, without any intensely. Yes, that is very important. Your small changes will become a big improvement. Yes, so make a small changes in your life and it will be big improvement in your life will come soon. So now it's your turn. I would like to give you one word, that is serene. Now you can make a sentence using the word serene and write down in comment. I will check it. In this way you will improve your vocabulary also. Remember, vocabulary is not just only for read or learn. It's use first to learn it, use it and speak it. Yes, that is the important thing if you want to improve your vocabulary. Yes, I think this video is helpful for you who want to learn and want to improve their vocabulary and they forget when it's time to speak. If you found this video helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment me how this video is it helpful for you or not. Okay, so we will keep signing, keep improving. So don't worry about learn this language, take it smoothly. We are all learners, so don't worry about how I will learn this language, because everyone is a learner in this English journey. Okay, so keep signing, keep learning. See you in next video. Bye, take care.